In this video, you're going to learn how to find the number of required subnets. Now, this is a little tricky to teach, but I'm going to show you, and eventually you get to have it. So for subnetting, it's 2S. We're looking for the number of ones in a subnet mask. And so we've done it in the past, but this time we reverse it. So let me walk you through an example. So the question asks for what's a subnet mask when 53 subnets are required. So step one is you go to this column here and you look for the closest number to 53 without being under. So it's this one, because 32 would only give us 32 subnet masks and 64 will give us 64, plus it will cover the 53 we need. So now we need to find the number of ones. What subnet mask has 6 ones in it? So we know the ones reside in this column 1. So we go look for the number 6, and it's 252. So this subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 252. That's it. For this one, we only need 10 subnets. So we go to this column and find the closest number to 10 without being under. So for this one, it's 16. So it's a subnet mask that has 4 ones. And the columns for 4 ones is 4. So it's 240. So for this one, it's 255, 255, 255, 240. Are you getting it? All right, that's easy. Let's try another one. Okay, so for this one, we have to find the subnet mask for 10 required subnets. So you go to this column, we'll look for the closest number without being under. 8 is too little, so it's 16. And we need a subnet mask that has 4 ones in it, which happens to just be this one, so it's 240. Now, how do we know what subnet mask do rate, A, B, or C? Well, from the number, we just look at this. And that lets us know that they're looking for a Class B subnet. So because of that, we're going to write 255, 255, 240, 0. That's it. It's that simple. For this one, they're looking for the subnet mask that includes 7 subnets. All right, so let's see. Closest is 7 without being under is 8. So what subnet mask has 3 ones in it? So we just go to column 1 and look for one that has 3 ones in it, which is 224. All right, so it's 224. Now we have to look and see. Oh, look at that. So I think they want us to give them a Class A. So it's going to be 255, 224. I made a typo here. 224, 0, 0. Again, it's a little tricky, but just keep practicing and you will get it.